How to remove microplastics from your drinking water when you travel. Hello everyone, this is Amit Don. As a minimalist traveler, I do not carry any additional water bottle, so I had to rely on bottled water whenever I was traveling. And for sure I was consuming lots of microplastics because some countries you have to only rely on bottled water, especially whenever you're in Asia or many other countries. Now, I didn't think of this before, but recently there are lots of news about we are consuming too much microplastics, and I was thinking how we can remove microplastics, especially when I'm traveling. And I was looking for a portable water filter bottle which removes microplastic, and this is the only one I was able to find. So this is called LifeStraw Go series, and this is very simple, and they come in different sizes, and this is the 22 ounce. So you just put in water here, and that's all you have to do, and it's not hard to carry. So today in this video I'm going to take a look at it. This will be able to eliminate microplastics from my water, drinking water, and yours whenever you're traveling, to give you better health and better drinking water. I'm going to go through some of the specs right here. So this is 22 ounce or 650 ml. I think they have one size bigger, which I didn't buy because I thought that would be too much, too bulky for traveling. Now it has two-stage filtration system. So one is carbon filter, and one is regular microfilter, and which I'm going to show you shortly. And you can see that the microfilter removes bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. And then the carbon filter reduces chlorine, organic chemical material, and bad odor, plus improves taste. Now, in terms of capacity, you can see that this is 9 ounce weight. So this is very minimal weight. It's not it's not going to be bulky, and volume is 22 ounce, which is also here, and BPA-free plastic. Now you have to change the filter after 4,000 liter gallon, 1,000 gallon or 4,000 liter of water, which is the microfilter. And the carbon filter is going to be after 100 liter or 26 gallon. So the thing is, the microfilter is much longer lasting than the carbon filter. So I think you don't need to change the microfilter for a while, but the carbon filter has to be changed more frequently, and all the filters are included in here. So I was trying to take it out nicely, but it's almost impossible. So I had to kind of break it. So let's open this up here, and I think, okay, so this came out this way, and actually I don't think still I can do it, so I have to just do it this way. Okay, so this is our backbone or packaging, and this is the actual bottle, and you can see that it's not really too big, so that's something I like. And here we have this is the microfilter, and I checked on Amazon. This is like $29 per piece, but this is the one you're going to be replacing less often. And let's twist it to remove it and see. Okay, so you can see that it's attached right here, and here what do we have? Okay, I think there's something here too. Okay, so here where you're going to sit, and then here there's a hole for the water flow, so air can push out the water. I'm just going to close this one, and then here we have the filter, and I believe this is where the carbon filter is located, which has to be changed less often. Now I checked on Amazon. I think there's I saw 4 or 6, I can't remember properly, but for $25, which is not that bad. So this is the tiny filter you need to change more often, and it has to be somewhere here. So this is the carbon chamber where there's the carbon filter. Now I was kind of a little bit puzzled how to remove the carbon filter, but it's very simple. You have to just push your thumb in, and it should come out, and you can see that this is the part you need to change often. So let's put it back in, and okay, and then we can just put it back in this way. Actually like this, I was putting the wrong way. Okay, so when this is perfectly fit or tight enough, you're not going to hear any clicking noise, because before it had a clicking noise. So now it's ready, and you can just attach it to the cap the same way we took it out. So that's basically it. A very simple operation and nothing complicated. And I think when you cannot pull up water, or when you cannot sip on water, that time you know that it's time to change the filter. Or I would just keep a reminder to change my filter, because especially the carbon filter. This one I don't worry about. It has a long life before changing it, but the carbon filter, I just change it after certain months or something, which I'm going to put a note or reminder on my phone or somewhere. So overall, this is definitely going to change the way I drink water when I'm traveling. And if you guys like this video, and if I get enough likes and views, definitely I'm going to do another video when I'm traveling, and that video I'm going to do from a hotel or from outside, and I'm going to show you guys that I'm actually using it and how the water tastes. But for today, that's all for now, and thank you for watching.